Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Happy Friday. Hope you are enjoying life and doing the best you can during these tough times. Today's video is about how a birthday party turned into the biggest awesome Phoenix car parade that I've ever seen. So long story short, April 11th, 2020 was originally planned for Calvin's birthday party. However, with COVID-19 / coronavirus, things have been shut down and we can't have gatherings. We want to protect everyone. So what Calvin's family ended up doing is reaching out to friends and family on Facebook and social media platforms and said, hey, we want to have a car parade, a car theme parade. So if you have some cool cars, could you roll through and we'll do something around 11 and just kind of make it something fun, energetic, just something different. And that way it's not just a day with him not having a birthday party, but that way he could still have some kind of social interaction with people. Plus with making it with cars makes it that much better. So what ended up happening is the car community got their hands on it and they took advantage of the whole situation. If you know anything about the car community in Arizona, at least, I could tell you they'll take something small and they'll make it the biggest thing they possibly can within their power. So Calvin's family was originally only expecting a couple people to show up and, kind of roll through, but it ended up being like 400 people actually showing up to this parade. Even the local news showed up, the local police showed up, and everyone showed a lot of support. And I think it was absolutely amazing. There was a drone in the air. There was a whole bunch of cool stuff going on. So without further ado, I want you guys to enjoy this video. Please like and subscribe. If you see yourself or your club in here, can you please comment below in the time so I can put it in the description, and that way I can give credit to everyone that did show up. If you did not make the video, I apologize. There was so much video editing to do and so much actual recording. I didn't want the video to be like an hour long. However, if I do have a clip of you, please message me. I will go ahead and send you the actual clip and then allow you to edit those as well for your own use. But thank you guys so much. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I'll see you guys later.
buddy.
Man.
Happy birthday, buddy.
All right, you guys are live.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Calvin. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Calvin. Happy birthday to you.
There we go. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Like I said before, like the video if you enjoyed it. Go ahead and consider subscribing, and I'll see you guys next week. Have a good one.